Fairly good progress today. I mean, every day is fantastic when you're doing this hobby, isn't it? Yeah, I got some good progress on it. Laminate is complete. All the holes drilled. Pretty pumped. It's looking good. Okay, I didn't catch it on film. I got too energetic. Anyway, so this is my piece here. I'm ready to cut. So this is the front part of the kick plate. It's going to be black. So I have some black laminate. I need to cut it to shape before I place it within the cabinet. So I need some clean lines. So I put the laminate on here. We get some nice straight edge piece of plywood, and I'm gonna cut it with the trimmer. This side I've done already. This is just my weight on top because I can't really bolt it down. I had these little little clamps here on either corner, and I took one off. I started it, and I trimmed it right off. Got close, took this one off, and zinged it right off. It came off pretty clean. I didn't even test it first, but I just cut that right off. So I'm going to turn it. I'm going to cut this edge and then use the trimmer and cut that off. I know this old TV looks funny, but it's just good and heavy and creates a good weight for this laminate so it doesn't move around while I trim it. All right. Perfect. Wow. So next we'll apply it, get the cabinet on its cabinets on its back, this facing up, and we'll get this thing glued down. Sweet. Okay, before we fit this piece on the cabinet, we have to cut another one. It'll be here under the marquee where the speakers are at. So get going there. Yeah, that was some black laminate left over from building Galaga. So, and I just had a piece big enough. I saved it. I thought maybe I could use it for a kick plate, and I did. I even got enough to do under the marquee. So, that's ideal. Very little waste on laminate because this stuff, actually, it's not cheap at all. So great. Sweet. Those little strips there, that's how much waste I had from that piece of laminate. So amazing. Before I go any further, I have to paint. I have to paint into this edge, both sides, before I put the laminate down. I'll paint all this, especially before I fit this laminate. Paint all in there, and then we put the laminate down. Everything's good. The only part of doing this side piece first is now I have to mask it off. So There I go, masking up. Okay, we're just going to start on this hole for the coin door. Kind of had to muscle my way to create a hole. It was a drill bit, but then it broke open. Gladly it didn't. It's not going to be an issue. But I'm just going to make a clockwise hole for the coin door. And I said clockwise because that's the way to cut the laminate when you're cutting out a circle. Alright, let's get started. Okay, so the next day I went and got some supplies so I can cut out the holes for speakers here. There's also some holes here that are bolt down the control panel, and a couple of holes that go in here to mount that marquee bracket. So just to recap, I'm going to use, actually not to recap, I'll tell you what I picked up here. It's these smaller bits. So it's this little guiding bit here. It's actually made for drywall, but I got an extra strength one. Hopefully we'll cut this laminate. It's got a tip on it here that guides the bit. So we'll see how that works. I was going to have this all fitted up already, but I realized my trimmer has a 1/4 inch arbor, and these are 532, so they don't fit snugly. Went back to the hardware store, picked up this, call it a nut kit. So hopefully this will work. There's these collets here that are different sizes, 1/8, 5/16, and a 1/4. Also this nut. I shouldn't need that, but I should just need this. Let's drop that out. 532 arbor. Yeah, that's the right size there. So we'll take this apart. Yeah, let's get this mounted. Okay, so let's take this nut off. Well, shit, that won't work. Okay. Bit replacement take 2. That did not work. So I got a new bit that actually fits a 1/4 inch arbor. Because I can't find, oh my gosh, I'm having a disaster. There we go. I can't find an arbor that replaces that. It's tapered, especially for this tool. Any other little secondary attachment that you can buy for this is just not working. So I'm gonna go with this. This is an actual 1/4 inch arbored bit. It is a trimming bit for drywall. I know it's bigger than I want, but it's the only thing that currently gonna work for me right now. So let's see if this will work. Actually, I'm worried about it standing up. This bit's made for drywall, so I don't know if this bit's gonna handle cutting into laminate, but we will see. Don't need the depth that far. Okay, let's give it a shot. Okay, the speaker holes are here and here. So I'm going to use this tape, and hopefully it'll prevent this laminate from chipping, cracking while I cut this. Okay, I've marked out holes here to find the existing screw holes to mount this bracket. And I'm hoping I hit the right holes. I'm making new holes for that bracket. Alright, let's do it. Successfully hit those existing holes. So sweet, that is done. 4 more holes right here. The mounting holes for the control panel. Keep it rolling. Okay, kind of feel relieved here actually. Laminate is complete. All the holes drilled in it are complete. Pretty pumped. It's looking good. What's left is stand it up and then start working on it. Actually, I might paint the bottom just to help preserve any water damage in the future. Getting into that wood. That's something I did on the last cabinet. I just like to finish anything and everything as much as I can. So, but yeah, pretty excited. This is going to be up and running hopefully soon. At least all the major cabinet work is done. So, fantastic. Fairly good progress today. I mean, every day is fantastic when you're doing this hobby, isn't it? But yeah, I got some good progress on it. Did the last of the painting, did the back door, back of the machine. Yeah, progressing really good. Yeah, a bunch of things I put in the car to take home to clean. Control panel, interior of the coin door, frame doors, and this top strip of the marquee. It's already cleaned, sanded, ready to paint. I'll have to paint that in the next couple days. Looks like it's going to rain out there. But no, making good progress. Enjoying it. Can't wait. Everything done. I'll take this plastic off and have the reveal. All right. Cheers.